We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing biblical names too, and some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Judas Iscariot. In British English, this is said as Iscariot. Now, in American English, it is generally pronounced as Iscariot. Iscariot, Judas Iscariot in American English versus Judas Iscariot in British English. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names from the Bible, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? Well, after watching this, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.